So hi all, welcome to this video. In this video we will see the second highest salary, that is problem number 176, which is a medium standard problem. Okay, in this problem we have an employee table in which the ID is the primary key and for this table, and each row of this table contains information about the salary of an employee. Write a solution to find the second highest distinct salary from the employee table. If there is no second highest salary, then return null. The result format is given in the following example. So in this particular table, if you see, then 200 is the second highest salary which is displayed here. And in the second example, since there is no second highest salary, so it is displayed as null. Okay. So let us approach this problem. Okay. So how we are going to approach this problem? We will be using a window function known as dense rank function to solve this. And while solving this type of problem, right, we will not be using limit function or offset function in this case, because this is a very frequently interview asked question. And generally in the interviews, interviewer doesn't really rely on limit function or offset function. They really would challenge you to solve these kind of problems without using the limit function or the row number function. Okay, so let us solve this problem using the dense rank function. Okay, so let us see. We will select salary, comma, dense rank. Now what the dense rank function will do? Dense rank will, if there are two salaries which are of same value, then it will assign the same rank to those salaries, but it will never skip the rank for the next coming salary. Okay, if there is, let's say there are 4 entries in which the salary is 100, 200, 200, 300, then the ranking will be, if you take the ranking in ascending order, it will be 1, 2, 2, and then it will be 3. If you take only the rank function, then in that case the ranking will be 1, 2, 2 and 4. 3 will be skipped. That's why we are using the dense rank function here. Okay, so here we will be using over order by and the salary, because we need to we need to showcase the salary in descending order. Okay, so this is dense rank over order by salary in descending order, as let's alias this is Rn. Okay, from the employee table. Okay, let's run this and let's see what this gives us. Okay, so now you can see that the salary has been ranked in descending order. Okay, now we need to get this value. How we will get this value? So let us store this in a temporary table, temp as this. Okay, and now select salary from temp where Rn equals to 2. Okay, now if I run this one, right, you will see what will happen. It is giving us the salary value. Okay, but if you look at the third case, right, it is giving us two values which are of salary 0. So we don't need this, right? We just need the distinct values. So let's use the distinct key. Okay, now if I run this, it will only give us the value that is 0. Okay, now we need to handle the null case. If you just look at the second case, right, the value is blank, it's not coming as null. So how to make this as null? So we will be using a function known as if null. What the if null function will do, this will accept this entire query, because this entire query is giving us the salary value. So what the if null function is saying, that if this whole expression is giving me a blank value, then I just simply need to replace this with null. That's it, comma null. Okay, so if this if null function, if this expression is not null, then it will give the value as it is. It will not execute the null part. But if it is blank, if it is giving the blank value, then it will give the null value over here. Okay, if null, as alias it as, we need the second highest salary. Let's run this. It has successfully submitted. Let's submit this. So it has a runtime of 299 millisecond and it beats 54.24%. So this is a pretty efficient technique to solve this problem. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon for notification. Thank you.